All right, it's Friday, July 19th, just highlighting a trade just made on Amazon. Bought it at 183.61 and just scaled out at 184.50, almost a point higher. We'll see if it continues higher here this morning. This was on the first bar green up here, inside bar on bar number 2, and then starting up on bar 3. So you buy it here at the blue line. Your stop's the midpoint of the first bar. I scaled out here, at 184.50. It's up to 184.70. What I like about this one on the daily chart, this was an opening after coming down. It took out this liquidity area right here, so that was kind of what was expected on this big red move. Then you want to see what happens at that inflection point. We still could just pause in here and eventually make a move down to even lower lows, but it's a good area where you normally get a pause or a potential reversal all the way up. So if you watch the 15-minute chart, you kind of judge between the pre-market range and opening price action, what's developing. Took out those key lows, started to come up, paused a little bit, didn't want to come down on that inside bar. It started up, so maybe we're just failing here at this key area right in here, and we're going to start coming all the way back up through the range. You never know. We'll see how the daily chart closes and what happens next week and everything else. But for now, it's a good no risk trade. This kind of price action kind of projected a little higher, at least to take out the pre-market highs up here, and then we'll see at this inflection point intraday what happens. Does it fail here and maybe come back through the midpoint of this first bar, in which case you can do no worse than break even, or is it going to kind of hold in this area and eventually make 2 pushes up on the day and start a bigger picture reversal? So that's Amazon for this morning. No risk right now. We'll see if it may be, at this key inflection point, what happens. Does it just, hold in here and then eventually break through, or is this the type of thing where it's just kind of pausing in the big picture before heading lower? So that's the context, but the opening price action was, high probability to continue a little bit higher, and we'll see what goes on from there.